Today we are going to study the even number, odd number, prime number. First, even number. What is the even number? The numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even number, or the number which is completely divisible by 2 is called even number. Any number which is divided by 2. Suppose any number which can be divided by 2 is called even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. All numbers are divisible by 2. Hence, all numbers are even number. 2 is a even number, 4 is a even number, 6 is a even number, 8 is a even number. Or simply, we can check if any number have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 on its unit place, then number is divisible by 2, or the number is even number. Suppose if we take 30, one's place digit is 0, hence it is a even number. It is divisible by 2. Next, what is the all number? Even number, the number who completely can divided by 2. Next, odd number, opposite of even number. If any number cannot be divided by 2, then it is called odd number. The number which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. Any number which is not completely divided by 2. Suppose if we take 3, 5, 7, 11, 19, 21, 35, all numbers are odd numbers because they are not divisible by 2. We cannot completely divide these numbers. It means if any number cannot be divided by 2, then it is called odd number. Next, what is the prime number? It is very important. If any number have only 2 factors, 1 and number itself, then the number is called prime number. Suppose if we take 5, first we check how many number can divide the 5. Only 1 can divide the 5 and 5 can divide the 5. It means 1. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. It has only 2 factors, 1 and number itself. It means it is a prime number. A number is said to be a natural number greater than 1 which has no factor other than 1 and itself is called a prime number. If we take 7 is also a prime number. 11 is also a prime number. 13 also a prime number. 19, 23, these numbers have no any factor other than 1 and itself. It means these numbers are prime. Simply, we can check the prime numbers by dividing 2. First, we check the divisibility by 2, by 3, by 5, by 7, and we can find the number are prime or not. Suppose if we take 29. How we check 29 is a prime number or not? First we divide by 2 and after that we divide by 3 After that, we divide by 5. After that, we divided by 29. 29 is not divisible by 2. 29 is not divisible by 3. 29 is not divisible by 5. 29 is not divisible by 7. It means it is a prime number. 29 is a prime number. In this manner, we can check the given number is prime or not. We divide 2 by 2, 3, 5 and 7. It is not divisible, then the number is prime. Many numbers are prime numbers. Okay. If we want to write, the question is write the prime numbers. Write the prime numbers between 10 to 20. We see all the numbers between 10 to 20. It means 11. 11 is also a prime number because it is not divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 7. 13 also, and after 13, 17, and after 17, 19. It means between 10 to 20, 4 number are prime number: 11, 13, 17 and 19. In this manner, we can check any number that the number is prime or not. Okay. Next, composite number. What is the composite number? A number is said to be composite number if it has at least one factor other than 1 and the number itself. The numbers will be composite number if it is has one or more than one factor other than 1 and number itself. Suppose if we take 15. 15 has a factor 1. 15 is also divisible by 3. 15 is also divisible by 5. And 15 is also divisible by 15. It means 15 has 4 factor and or 15 has 2 factors other than 1 and 15. It means 15 is a composite number. If we take 12, 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. It has more than one factor. It means it is a composite number. If we take 6, 6 has a factor 1, 2, 3 and 6. It means 6 is a composite number. All numbers which is not a prime number are composite numbers. Next, twin prime. Pair of prime numbers having a difference of 2 are called twin prime. Any two prime numbers which have a difference of 2 is called twin prime. Suppose if we take the pair of 3 and 5, pair of 11 and 13, the pair of 17 and 19. All pairs have a difference of 2. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, and the difference between 3 and 5 is equal to 2. Hence, this pair is a twin prime. In the same manner, 11 is a prime number, 13 is also a prime number, and the difference between 13 and 11 is equal to 2. Hence, 11 and 13 are the pair of twin prime. In the same manner, 17 and 19 is a pair of twin prime. Any two prime number having a difference of 2. If there are two prime number and the difference between the number is equal to 2, then two prime numbers are called twin prime. Next, co-prime numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have any common factor other than 1. Any two numbers will be co-prime if they do not have any common factor other than 1. Suppose if we take the pair of 3 and 5, 4 and 7, 8 and 25. Co-prime numbers if two numbers have no any common factor other than 1. Suppose here 3 and 5 both have no any common factor other than 1. 4 and 7 also have no any common factor. 8 and 25 is also have no any common factor. In the same manner, if we take 11 and 15, 11 and 15 also have no any common factor. If two numbers are given and the numbers have no any common factor, then the numbers are called co-prime numbers. Okay.